Ready?
Yep.
Now, Dale and our guy Tim here got into a heated argument. No, I'm playing. They literally just was like, "Hey, compete," and Tim's like, I can't win. If I win, I win. It just doesn't work out." So
I can't win. So
it's one-on-one.
It's one-on-one. Yeah. So he got to pick my team, and we made a blend.
Yeah.
And then I was texting him yesterday. I said, "Hey, I got 15 judges coming in. Is it cool with you? Would this be fair if those 15 judges casted their vote, and then we would crown the winner between you and I, and call it done?" And somehow we decided on 21 people would be deciding.
Just to be clear, the numbers are in. If the next people...
let's not even say that. So let's just, there's 7 votes left. They all get a ticket, and they get to vote left or right. And we're going to have you guys participate also. And so you can try these 2, and then just tell us left or right, whichever one is the favorite.
This is my first sip of the day, so you can't rush into it.
Yeah. You'll have to revisit that one.
Yeah,
because it's not
not
really fair.
You have to come back. But I tried this one first to be clear. I like the nose on it better.
You like the nose on that one better. Got it. How big of an influence is the nose to you?
Well, when you get sick, you can't taste food. So what we do know is the nose, it doesn't really guide you, but it gives you perspective. And then once it hits the taste buds, you go, "Oh wow, now that's..."
Yeah, I understand how the nose works.
Tim,
so is it 33% of your evaluation process?
Bro, Tim,
damn. This is like the Steve Carell. Was it Carell of whiskey? You could be in a whiskey office show.
Dick.
So like for me, I would put about 10 to 15% weight on the nose. Like if I'm like the finish is weighted very heavily for me. So that's what I was asking.
Well, there we go. See, just learned something new. So Tim's methodical in that way, where it's all got to make sense. Man, this is hard. This is like Jordan here. So you go, I don't want to get it wrong, but there's no right answer because it's a matter of perspective.
You can't get it wrong.
I know it's
although a couple people got it wrong.
This is so difficult, man. So I feel like this one has a better finish. This one I like the nose. Yeah. And then you go, well, which one do you prefer?
But you get one ticket.
God, this is stressful. I couldn't have been no judge, man.
Imagine the people making the blends and like having the shot clock.
I couldn't have been no judge. This right here is proof I'll never be able to judge something. If I do, it had to be something that I'm very familiar with.
All right, don't say what your vote is until Jamarcus has his vote done.
So we'll come back and mind you, this one's rolling 2. Because now I'm like, all right.
Swap spots.
Go ahead and cut it, and then we'll just take this. So we can... If you want, you can just hold that.
Tim, what's the first thing that comes to mind on the nose for that? Just because they didn't give me a lot. Take a sip too.
Now, Jamarcus, you got to be a judge last night, so.
I did.
That was a lot of fun too.
Yeah, you had a blast.
I sure did.
What I like about what he did, so he had 2 very experienced palates on his team, and they picked the exact same favorite and second favorite, and he went against the grain and picked what he liked, and I personally have had the one that he selected, and I remember that being a great whiskey, so that's pretty cool that he went against the grain with the 2 people influencing him that have been in the game for a while, and I know that he picked a good whiskey, so that's pretty awesome.
I'll take the compliment.
On the nose it was. On the nose was hard. And for me, I like to do 20% nose and 40-40 on the taste.
Look at that.
On the taste and
Man,
the
he got a head
finish.
start. That don't count.
But that's what I was doing yesterday, though, too, because we talked about that. We did talk about that.
The nose is good on that. It's good on that one, too. And you can say what your vote is because assuming he's not going to flop.
No, I can't flop. I know which one.
Yeah. One more time.
So to be clear, in order for Dale to win this, he's gonna need all 7 votes.
So even
To
if
win.
Jamarcus are split,
If one of you says our whiskey, then
done.
it's done.
it's not even a chance.
Have to go with this one.
So
Mine-
if you split,
Yeah.
Oh!
Now, to be clear, I'm behind the camera. I like this one better. I have to
What?
be honest. No, this is true.
you voted for this.
I know, no.
Hold on.
No, I know. Let me be very clear.
Oh,
I
You're not
like
being clear at all.
This is the crazy part is I like this one better. So that's why I didn't drink that much of it.
So-
this is the truth. Look at this. I stopped drinking this one and almost finished this one. I go, I can't figure this one out. Maybe this one's, but this one's better. That's the
So
truth.
why did you vote for this?
Because I'm like, maybe this is the one. But for fact, I know it's
This
confusing.
is the one for what? You're just the antagonist.
That's what I'm curious.
He's the anti-hero in this.
Yeah.
No, but seriously.
So
this,
if that's your one, vote for that one.
yeah. No,
Okay.
no. This is the truth. Truth is,
Okay.
I kept drinking this one, people.
Yeah.
Because
All right.
I was like, this one I can't make sense of because the finish isn't there.
So it just so happens that you're both wrong. No, so Dale's still in the race. So.
Dang!
No, see what I'm saying?
He's gotta do.
I told you, look, I'm voting for this one. I told you. Look, I told you something tells me this was the one.
But it doesn't matter. Like if you split the vote, then you knew we win. So
No, I just
you
put it
said
on
that was the
purpose.
better whiskey. So let's give the benefit of the doubt.
I
The better
said,
whiskey gets the vote. So you got to get 5. Dale, you need 5 more unanimous. You're off to a good start today. I'm betting against you though.
see, that's the thing. This camera's still rolling. I literally
man.
go, this is the one. And that's why I kept drinking. But I said, maybe it's this one. But this one's better.
I don't know. We'll give it. We'll give it to Dale. We'll give it to Dale.
Man, you gave him
so-
a. So I voted. I voted correctly then. That's all that matters.
If you could give feedback on that score, what would it be? Because they didn't really give much.
Damn, look, you voted for Dale C. I chose
did.
right the first time. And I
I'm gonna tell
literally
you
had
how
no
I feel
clue.
about it after you
No
vote.
clue.
But I see it now.
I mean,
So
it's-
this
it's
one,
pleasant
remember-
and sweet
remember my
and
left hand?
caramel on the.
I said, man, this one's got a better nose.
Taste it.
So the
like
better
a-
nose
it's like
on
the
this
caramel
one
apple
is what
suckers
kept getting me.
almost.
But then I go, I like the
I
finish
get a-
on
I
this
get a
one
little
better.
green
So
apple on
I
it,
felt
too.
like I was getting better whiskey in
I've
this
got
part because
one
if
of
I
those.
removed the
Much
nose.
better whiskey.
No, facts. That's what I'm saying. That's why I kept drinking it. Because I like the smell. Like I said, when I picked up standing where you are, I picked up, so I was like, oh, I like the nose on this one. Yeah. But when
This
I
one's
try,
fruitier. Like that's got some really
the
nice.
bottom line is why I drank this because I'm like, this one tastes better. It's got a longer finish. I can feel it in the back of my
Way
tongue
more
and
fruity
everything.
than that one.
So it wasn't even close. But I go,
Yeah. Dang. I'm gonna drink this one.
you got to go with my original vote, man. I knew better.
That's good.
And Dale had an advantage because what he got in here on a Monday before it all.
I think that is delicious. I think that is a fantastic whiskey. They're talking like